Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today, I'm repairing a heavy-duty 2800W commercial induction cooker with a serious overheating problem. The customer reported that it heats for a short while and then shuts down into protection mode. The culprit, a seized cooling fan that barely spins and makes a loud friction noise. In this video, I'll show you why. Internal heat buildup triggers, the safety shutdown and how to replace the fan motor correctly. Pay close attention to the wiring. The positive and negative terminals must match the original board layout, or the new fan won't spin at all. We'll also deep clean the dust and grease to ensure maximum airflow. Let's get this commercial unit back to work.